If you're looking to archive data in Salesforce quickly and efficiently, you've come to the right place. In this short video, I'll walk you through the essential steps and show you how you can archive your Salesforce data without the hassle. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to do it, and I'll also show you how you can use the software for free with some exclusive bonuses. Stay tuned. Let's dive right in. The first thing to know about archiving data in Salesforce is that it isn't just about storing old records. It's about managing your data effectively and ensuring your system runs smoothly. Archiving is all about moving data you don't use regularly but still need to keep. It frees up space, improves system performance, and ensures compliance. Next thing you need to know is that Salesforce offers a built-in feature called Data Export. This allows you to manually export data for archiving purposes. You can do this by navigating to the Settings section, then Data Management, and select Data Export. You'll have the option to choose which objects you want to archive and export them as zip files. The third thing to mention is that Salesforce also offers automated archiving options. With the Salesforce Data Loader or third-party tools, you can set up automated processes to move data out of your live system and into an archive system. This helps you avoid manual exports and ensures that your data is always up to date. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, which is the importance of creating data retention policies. These policies determine how long data is kept in your Salesforce environment and when it should be archived. Having clear policies in place ensures that you maintain a clean database and comply with any legal or regulatory requirements. The fifth thing you should know is that archived data in Salesforce can still be accessed. It's not just thrown into a vault where you can't reach it. Salesforce makes it easy to retrieve archived data if needed, whether it's for compliance audits or just to look back at historical records. Finally, you can use third-party archiving solutions for more advanced features, such as enhanced data security, long-term storage, and better searchability. These tools integrate seamlessly with Salesforce, making the entire archiving process even smoother. Remember, if you're looking for a better way to manage your data and archiving, you can start using the software completely for free. Don't forget to check out the exclusive bonus in the first link below. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to archive data in Salesforce. If you're looking to streamline your archiving process and maximize Salesforce's potential, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial linked below. Make sure you follow the steps we covered, and you'll be archiving data in no time, keeping your Salesforce system clean and efficient. Thanks for watching!